So that's why I sing a lullaby on Good Friday. Every year when we revisit the Passion, my heart goes right to Mary as the Adolorata. And I wonder what she went through as well. I think about the heart of a mother and how no matter how big your kids get, no matter how independent they become, no matter what they achieve in life, they will forever be that babe that you cradled in your arms. I remember how my grandma was with her grown kids, how my mom was with us. When I try to explain this to my daughter, the best I can tell her is someday when you're a mom, you'll understand.